Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Talia's Reality. As you can see by the title, you already know today we are going to be installing a wig. Listen y'all, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we gonna hope for the best because I literally installed this wig before by myself. I did an okay job, but I want to try like a different method this time, so I don't know if it's gonna be as good, but we're gonna see where this gets us. We're gonna try to do it. So I don't want to do too much talking. Let's get into the video. All right, so before I get into the video, I gotta take off this wig, which is not a headband wig, it's an actual wig. I just kind of like threw this on to run my little errands or whatever. So I'm gonna take this off, I'm gonna put my bald cap on, and I'm gonna come back. Yep. Ooh, please don't play with me, y'all. Not the bald cap. Okay, so I laid my edges down and I didn't put any heat on it. I just basically sprayed them with some Got To Be. I don't know if I should have did that or not, but I sprayed them with some Got To Be and I'm just gonna let them sit. Okay, so I re-put the wig cap on. Like I kind of brought it down further because I should have did that the first time. That way, you know, if I have to cut a little bit, it's fine. If I do have to cut more than normal, then that's fine as well. So yeah. I literally went to my god sister's house yesterday, y'all, because she was like, sis, come help me install this wig, like, you know, I need help. And I was like, cool. And I went over there and she ended up like doing it herself. I didn't really help that much and she did like really good. Like, so for this next part, you're supposed to like spray it, you know, to glue it down or whatever. She told me that you can spray it 3 times so it'll like stick more. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try that. And like on hers it worked really good, so I'm gonna try that out. So instead of me spraying like one good time on there and then like, you know, blow drying it or whatever, I'm gonna spray it, blow dry, spray it, blow dry, then spray it and blow dry and be done. So yeah, we're gonna see how that works out. Hopefully it comes out really good because like I said, this can go 2 ways, left or right, and we hoping for right. We hoping for right. Gosh, I hate this part. I hate spraying stuff because I feel like it's gonna get in my eye. Like, no. And don't come for me in the comments, y'all. I know I got a big forehead. Listen, it's really not that big. It just look like that on camera, but it's really not that big. So chill out on me, chill out. So y'all, I have successfully glued on the wig cap. But anyway, y'all, so the next step, I am going to cut this. Now this is going to be the tricky part because I don't really know how far to cut. I feel like I always end up cutting too far to my hair when I should honestly cut a little lower. So I'm gonna try that. I got my little handy dandy scissors. So ooh, y'all, it's stuck on there good too. While I'm cutting this, y'all, let me update y'all on what's been going on. So I ended up starting college in January, y'all. I go to Kaiser University and I'm majoring in Homeland Security. And when I tell y'all, I literally did not want to go to college. Like, I was so against going to college. I was like, no, I'm not going to college. I'm not going. Like, it's more things that you can do in life than go to college. You can be successful. I mean, if you literally look at all the millionaires and like everybody else, like half of them, they're like, they're millionaires, and like half of them dropped out with like C's. Some of them dropped out of school. I mean, like, you can literally do anything in life. You do not need to go to college. But the specific thing that I want to do in life required me to go to college. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go to college. I literally just made my mind up. I made my mind up like 3 months before I graduated. Like, I'm not even lying. So I've said, okay, I'm gonna have my mind made up, you know, at least by March. And I had it made up. I mean, I got to visit my college and everybody was so nice. And, you know, I was like really nervous or whatever because I was like, first of all, I'm going to a whole new state. Don't know nobody there. Well, I mean, I have family there. I know a couple people are there, but I don't know anyone there after college, I should say. So yeah, I mean, but honestly though, long story short, when I tell y'all I really love this college, and I met some amazing people that go there, like, and they're all literally older than me, y'all. I feel like I can really learn from people who are older than me. Honestly, you can learn from anybody, but it's just okay because a lot of younger people my age, they want to be in like drama, they want to do this, and I don't have time for all of that. Like, no, I want to make money. Like, I want to laugh and talk and be about business. So I mean, it's really good to have people like that there. And then the teachers, oh my god, they're so sweet. Like, they are the nicest things ever. Did I say things? Did I call them things? Anyway, they're the nicest people ever there. I mean, like, literally, y'all. And then like they literally have like food trucks and stuff out there for us. College is going great. It is going great. I think I have I want to say I have a 3.7 GPA. If it's not a 3.7, it's a 3.666666. Right now I'm taking up speech communications, like learning how to talk in front of crowds and, you know, stuff like that, which is really cool. Like, I like that too. Like, it's really cool. I had psychology first, and then I had it was psychology, crap, what was my, microeconomics. And it was math, and now I have, well, I have basic math. Next month I have like a higher math. So yeah, really interesting, really fun. So yeah, that's what's been going on with me. I'm also a caregiver now. I work up under my grandmother. Oh, I only gotta cut this part. I work up under my grandmother. I like it though. It's really cool, really laid back job. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on, y'all. It shouldn't be lifting too badly, but because of, like, see how it's like kind of, you can see it like peeling or whatever, but that's just from where I cut or whatever. So hopefully it's not that bad. So we're gonna see. So y'all, this is the wig. I have to put some water on it, y'all, and brush her out a little bit, but this is the Shein wig that I will be installing today. And I have had this installed already. My friend Samaya did it, so she put it on me, she cut it and everything. I'll try to include some pictures in here somewhere so that y'all can see it. But yeah, she did it really cute. Like, I'm not gonna get as good as she did, but she did it really cute. I just want to install this just to see like how good I can do it, and like I want y'all to see the quality of this Shein wig, and I'm gonna actually review it and stuff like that. So this is her. She's really cute. I haven't named her yet, y'all. I'm gonna come up with the name soon though. So basically I gotta do the same thing that I did to glue the cap on. I just have to do it with the wig. So let me do that. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. The camera almost died, so I had to charge it back again. So as you can see, I had to cut down some more because it was like right here, so I had to cut it down some more. And I'm just putting on the wig so that I can measure like where it needs to be. And I think like right about here, hold on, like right there looks good, and then I can just like fix it up and stuff. So I'm gonna redo that gluing process again, and then I'll come back to the camera once I'm done with it. I feel like I need to add one more. Okay, I think I dropped that off too much. Alright. While that's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully this comes out good. Okay, so child. Oops. Okay, are you gonna stay? Let's put the clamps in on the side. Ooh, hold on, y'all. I might have just did something. Let me try to, because I think it's sticking, but I just want to make sure. So I'm gonna tie this around here. I'm gonna tie my hair up with a scrunchie in the back. That way I can try to lay the front down, tie this down. I think I'm gonna just let that sit there for a little bit. Okay, y'all, so I have wet both sides. I have my flat iron on still. I just cut it up a little higher so that it can, get hot a little faster. So I'm gonna try to hurry up, and I did divide it into 2 pieces, so I'm gonna put mousse on it so that the curls can stay and it does not get frizzy. Because I mean, I honestly don't care about the frizzy look. I don't prefer it. Like, I think it looks good, but just me personally, I don't think that it looks good on me. So I love the wet look. It sheds, like, I mean, it's not like a whole bunch, but it does shed. Like, it does shed, I'm not even gonna lie. And I put like a lot of water in this hair. Okay. I should got some more mousse at the store when I went. I wasn't even thinking. I can see it, but it's like hair. This is what came out while I was detangling it and combing it and stuff. And a little bit more in my comb. I can't really see it, but like I said, it's not a lot, but I mean, it is a good bit of shedding. And then I do kind of, it was a little nappy because I wasn't combing it before I put it in, but yeah. So looking good. All right, let me go get the hot comb and then I'll be right back. I used to be so scared of these when I was little, like, but I used to always get my hair done like if it was Christmas or if it was like Easter or something like that. Like, now look at me doing it myself. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Y'all, it's sizzling. Oh, that's hot. I probably should have waited till after I probably should have waited till after it dried. Hold on. Let me dry it a little bit at the top. Okay. Okay. I just need the first couple of inches. That's it. I need to comb this part out a little bit. Okay, y'all, I think I'm good with that. I mean, we just gonna stop because, yeah. All right, let me put this down. Let me go cut the stove off too. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So we have successfully did everything up here we needed to do. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut this thing off. It's time for the grand finale. All right. Let's see. Oh, hold on, y'all. I might have did something. Laid on there. Y'all, this looks good. I did good. I gotta fix the edges, but I did really good. I'm like really proud of myself. Let me fold this hot comb because I'm not trying to burn myself. Hey, like, that looks really good. Okay, that looks way better than I expected. I don't know if y'all can see, but like you can see like the knots. That's how the hair came. Not a fan of it, but okay. So let me do the edges. Y'all, this actually does not look good. I mean, bad. It doesn't look bad. I just gotta cover up that little spot. It's probably from me freaking combing it so much. Okay, I want to use I wanted to use gel for my edges, but my god sister told me don't do it. Well, she doesn't do it, so I'm guessing it like messes it up, or you know, whatever. So I'm not gonna do it. We just gotta cover that little spot. Yeah, I mean, I can do edges, but it's not gonna look good. Okay, this side isn't really gonna be showing that much. This one is the one that's gonna be showing, so okay. I mean, it'll do. We don't need that much. We're just gonna do that one, and we're gonna do this one. Okay, let's push that down a little bit so it don't lift. Okay, hold on. What else I got left to do? Just to cover this little spot. I don't know what the heck. I did really good, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself. Let's get a twirl. I need to get a new chair. Please don't play with me. Hair by Lily. So the hair isn't bad. It just kind of like sheds a lot. I mean, that's it. Like, it really sheds, and I don't necessarily like a lot of shedding. I mean, I feel like all wigs shed, but at the end of the day, like, it's not a bad wig. Like, I do feel like these knots shouldn't be here. but I know I could always bleach them. It's not a bad wig. It's really cute. I love these curl patterns. Y'all see them? These are so cute. But yeah, I definitely give myself, I'm gonna give myself a 7. I'm gonna give myself a 7 because yeah, no, I'm being too harsh. I'll give myself an 8. I'll give myself an 8 on a scale from 1 to 10 because the girl who normally does my hair, Samaya, y'all, she does so freaking good. Like, I love when she does my wig. So honestly, yeah, I give myself an 8. Like, I didn't do bad, but I mean, it's not the best when I can like admit that. So yeah, go Shein, y'all do good. Shein, whatever y'all want to say, they did good on this. I think this wig was, this was a 26-inch. I paid $154 for this wig, and I actually, it was like 140 something, but I did quick shipping, so that's why I was $154, and I used a coupon too, y'all. So I think I did pretty good. So I'm $411. So hold on, it's not like, yeah, so it comes like right here, up in here. It's cute though, y'all. I like it. Okay, yeah, y'all, thanks for watching my video on me installing this wig. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I did tell myself I was gonna try to get back into doing YouTube more. It's just been so much, like with school, with work, but I definitely do want to get back into the habit of doing YouTube. Like, I want to do vlogs, I want to do get ready with me's and all kinds of stuff. So definitely I will be getting more into the habit. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all on the next video.